Now, Vusi Matlala tried to create a private backdoor into OR Tambo International Airport, and it involved a 70 million luxury terminal which was pitched to Nedbank. Now, this is how Vusi Matlala aimed for the skies. My name is Alokwan, and these are the news that matter the most. Now, reports reveal that controversial businessman Vusumuzi Matlala pitched an ambitious and risky idea, a luxury private terminal inside OR Tambo International Airport, South Africa's busiest airport. This was not just about comfort, this was about access, speed, and control. The proposal was simple on the surface. High-profile clients, executives, politicians, celebrities would avoid normal airport processes. No long queues, no crowded terminals, everything fast-tracked, private lounges, private movement, and private handling. But here's the shocking part. The price that was discussed was around 70 million rands per year. Now, according to reports, Nedbank was among the institutions quoted for this deal. Meetings were held, presentations were made. This wasn't a random idea, it was professionally pitched. And how this would work and be convenient, a two-payment model was allegedly discussed. Now, the first payment model was a pay-per-use system where elite travelers pay every time they pass through. And the second payment model was a monthly retainer, roughly 5.7 million every single month, guaranteeing ongoing access and services. But this is where the story turns dark. Security experts raise major red flags. OR Tambo is not a mall, it is a national security zone. Any system that allows selected people to bypass normal immigration, customs, and security checks creates a dangerous loophole. Then the question became, who controls this private lane, who is watching it, and who is allowed through? Now, Vusi Matlala is not a neutral businessman. He is a man already linked to multiple controversies, government contracts, and serious criminal allegations in other matters. That context changed everything. Suddenly, this was no longer a luxury project. It looked like a parallel airport system run outside full public oversight. Public scrutiny intensified. Security concerns grew louder and the pressure mounted. In the end, the deal did not go ahead. But here's the uncomfortable truth. The fact that it even reached boardroom discussions tells me something disturbing. It tells me how close money can come to bending normal security rules. So the real concern is not just about Matlala. It's about how many other deals like this are discussed quietly and which ones succeeded without us even knowing. Because if access can be bought, then who is really protected? And that's why for me, stories like this matter. Now please follow, share, comment, because silence is how powerful deals stay hidden. This is Alokwan React. Stay woke, and what are your thoughts?